This is Invest Library's GCash series. And for this video, ipapakita naman namin kung paano magbayad ng Globe bill using GCash. So, stay tuned! First, log into your GCash app using your phone number and MPIN. Then click Pay Bills, followed by Telecoms. Then open Globe Postpaid. Under type, since mas kabisado ko yung phone number ko, I'll choose mobile number. Then enter your 11-digit cell phone number and also the amount to pay. By the way, wala pa ako na-receive na bill from Globe. So for now, mag-advance payment na lang muna ako ng 100. I'm hoping na madeduct to sa bill ko for this month. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description kung ano yung mangyayari. Medyo curious din kasi ako. Lastly, enter your email address and then click next. And review all these details, and kung tama naman lahat, click confirm. And then, may ma-receive kang text and email for confirmation. And also, you can download this one as proof of your transaction. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. And if you like more videos, please hit the subscribe button as we are working on more videos. And this is Lulu from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.